the hair. All right, after I shave myself, I always get this on me. This is going to prevent me from any burns, or if you have any burns, help you the soreness, right? So it's pretty good. I'm going to put this on right now. All right, so I'm going to add everywhere, especially behind. Look at that brightness. Right here's where it burns a lot, so you got to make sure you get some in there. Don't overdo it, but I like this a lot, so I love the smell of it. And you're set to go. Look at that. Look at that handsome guy. Whew. Give you that beautiful glow. Extra moisturizer. It's perfect.